If you're looking for a home to raise your family in, we have a great listing for you. 24 Ellen is on a dead end near Gage Park. Walkability to the GO station, all the parks and all the festivals you could wish for in a vibrant community filled with great families. Let's get inside and show you around.
Brighter than before, 'cause I'm just taking off. I'm only getting started. Got my eyes set on the top. Won't lose focus till I'm on it. And no, I'm not gonna stop. It's what I've always wanted. Oh, I'm just taking off. Yeah, I'm only getting started. I know I haven't peaked yet. Doesn't mean I'm upset. If I had one bet, I'd place it on myself. I'm always moving forward. Someday it'll be my turn.
If you can imagine your family living here in this beautifully renovated, charming home, give us a call and let's get you moving the mellow way.
When I look, I see my dreams aren't all too far away. So I celebrate the progress I make each and every day. 'Cause I'm just taking off. I'm